welcome back to my channel. This is Roayana. In today's video, mag-tutorial for how to save whole playlist, lalo na kung maraming mga videos in one playlist, into save watch later all at once para mas madali. Kasi madami ang nagtatanong kung bakit nahihirapan sila or they're having a hard time clicking save to watch later one by one. So if it's more than 50 or 100 videos in one playlist, you can do it in one time, whole playlist to save watch later. So without further ado, punta tayo sa YouTube app. Dito YouTube app, so mag-search tayo ng ating playlist na ating isi-save. This is just an example. So if you wanna save it to your if you're not using your main channel, make sure you change your YouTube channel into your another account. You can change it by doing like this one, change it to which account you want, and then I choose that. So I have to go to, kunwari, I'm making this an example only, guys. You can get the playlist link in your YouTube or in Facebook or Messenger. So this one is 30 minutes too late, so we're gonna share this, click share, and then copy link. And then now that it's copied, we have to go Chrome browser tayo, guys. So in Chrome browser, you have to, yung ating na-save na playlist link, you have to put it there, click search, paste it and click search, and then yan ang lalabas. So let's make sure na naka desktop mode tayo, no? So in desktop mode, we have to yan lalabas, ayan siya, ganyan ang hitsura ng ating desktop mode. So i-click natin ang play all sa playlist. So ayan, i-click natin ang play all, tapos nagpi-play siya. So ang gagawin natin is ipo-pause natin ang video, no? I-pause natin ang video, and then click back itong sa baba para mag-minimize ang window ng ating naka-play. Ganyan siya. So mag-minimize yan siya. So now, we have to go to the second video in the playlist. Itong 3 dots na to, i-click natin yan. Tapos, mayroon dyan add to queue. The first choice is add to queue. So you're gonna hit that. Click that one. So ayan, i-click natin yan. So now, after clicking the second video in the playlist to add to queue, we are going to go back to this na ating piniplay. I-open natin ito. Yan, open natin ang ating first video na ating plinay. So right on this, below the queue, sa ating playlist, makikita mo dyan ang save on the lower left side, itong save. So i-save natin to watch later. Ayan. So nakasave na yan. So let's see if nandun na siya sa watch later. So punta tayo sa, i-close natin itong browser. Punta tayo sa YouTube app. So let's see sa ating library, watch later. So ayan ang lalabas, 134 videos in one playlist. So nandyan na siya lahat, nakasave na siya. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe, and thank you for watching, and I hope nakatulong ito sa inyo na make it easy for you to save one playlist sa video para hindi hassle. So kung meron akong isa pang tip, if you want to remove this, save watch later videos, kailangan nyo siyang i-play all nyo siya, tapos if it all videos are played and mag-read yan siya lahat, pupunta lang kayo dito sa tatlong dots sa taas, remove watch videos. So if all the videos in one playlist, let's say 134 videos sa playlist is naka-read lahat, remove watch videos. Pag ni-remove mo yan, lahat yan mawawala. So ayan, thank you for watching. Bye!